my dear students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. In the previous class, we discussed about our fifth lesson, that is Akbar learns a lesson. What is the meaning of Akbar learns a lesson? Akbar ഒരു പാഠം പഠിച്ചു. Akbar learns a lesson. And in the first page, page number 42, we had done 3 riddles. What gets wet while it is drying? Answer is a towel. Then what comes down but never goes up? What is coming down and never goes up? Rain. And next one, what has a neck but no head? Shirt. Okay. And we studied, it is a play. It is a play means it's a drama. It's a drama. And as far as a drama is concerned, there must be some characters. Characters. Who are the characters? Akbar, the emperor in India, and then Birbal, one of the 9 ministers of Akbar's court. Then disguised stranger, the disguised Birbal. Birbal disguised as a stranger. Birbal in disguise. Then 2 subjects. Subjects means the people in the country. 2 persons in his country, and then guards, the soldiers or guards who safeguard the court and the king. 2 guards. Then in the scene 1, we had seen that Akbar and Birbal were sitting in the court and they were discussing about the welfare of the people. Akbar asked Birbal, what is the opinion of the spies? S-P-I-E-S. Spies means persons who are appointed to know the secret from other nations and who worked in disguise in their own country to understand the state of the people or the welfare of the people. And the spies reported that the people were living in peace and harmony. They have no problem with them. And Akbar is discussing about this matter to Birbal, one of the ministers in his court. Okay. What did Birbal say? Birbal said that the people were living in peace and there is no problem with the welfare of the people. And Akbar asked him, and whether they are telling, whether the spies were telling the truth or not, I want to check it myself. I want to know it personally by myself. I want to know the situation. And I may be disguised. In disguised means dressed up as another person. I want to go to the people. I want to go among the people in disguise. And Birbal told him, you are the emperor and your life is very precious and we have to protect it. There is no need for you to go to the people as Akbar. And Akbar became angry on hearing the words of Birbal and he asked him, are you threatening me? Birbal, you think I am a fool? I am not a fool. I am going in disguise. And Birbal say once again, I am requesting you, king, you need not to go. But Akbar is disobedient and Akbar told that I will go. I say I go, then I must go. Then that was the scene 1. In then scene 2, what did we see? Akbar was walking disguised as a commoner. Commoner means as a common man. Akbar disguised himself or dressed up himself as a common man and he tied a shawl around his head. He tied a shawl around his head and he was walking through the street. And at that time he has a doubt. Somebody is following me. Akbar has a doubt. Somebody is following me. And he became alert. He became alert or vigilant. He looked back when he finds a stranger. He thinks that this stranger is walking with me everywhere I go. This stranger is walking with me everywhere I go. Then Akbar wanted to confront him. Akbar wanted to confront him. C-O-N-F-R-O-N-D. Confront him means ettumuttuka. And so he looked back and asked the stranger, who are you? And then the stranger replied, I am Wanderlust. I am Wanderlust. My name is Wanderlust. Then Akbar asked him, Wanderlust? It is not a common name. It is an unusual name. Then where is your home or what is your profession? Then the stranger replied that I wander. My profession is wandering. Wandering means walking here and there. my person is wandering. Then Akbar asked him, it's also a strange profession, and where is your home? I am everywhere. The stranger replied that I am staying everywhere. Then Akbar became angry. He became irritated. He angrily asked him, are you going to stay everywhere? And do you know whom are you speaking? Do you know to whom are you speaking? Then the stranger asked, I am asking a common man. I am speaking to a common man. I am speaking to an ordinary human being. Then Akbar became angry and he told that I am not an ordinary human being. I am the emperor. I am the emperor. You are speaking to the emperor. Okay. Then the stranger laughed. You are an emperor. You dressed up as a common man, roaming in the street. Our emperors roaming and walking here and there in the street. And then Akbar told him, why don't you believe? If you, I will show you my seal. Emperor has a seal. I will show you my seal. Then you will believe. Then you can believe. Then by saying this, Akbar took out the seal from his coat pocket and handed it over to the stranger. The stranger looked at it with a surprise, and what did he do? He consciously put the seal into his pocket and then he ran away from there. Then Akbar was looking at him, what is he doing? The stranger. And the stranger put the seal intentionally or consciously, he put the seal into his pocket and he ran away from there. I'll read that part once again. You please listen. Page number 43. Akbar, the Emperor of India. Characters. Akbar, the Emperor of India. Birbal, one of the 9 Gejams in Akbar's court. Stranger, Birbal in disguise. Then subject 1-2, guards 1-2. Akbar. Courts of Akbar. Akbar is talking with Birbal. It is scene 1. Birbal, what do the spies say about the law and order in our kingdom? Birbal, Jahanpana, all is well, peace prevails. The subject, praise you. Akbar, I am happy, but I still think that I should personally see the situation. Maybe the spies say so because they are afraid to tell the truth. Birbal, this is not right, your majesty. An emperor's life is precious and must be well protected. Akbar, Birbal, you think I am a fool. I will take all precautions. I will go in disguise today. Birbal, I request you not to go, your majesty. Akbar, I have said I will go, so I will go. Akbar, scene 2. Akbar disguises himself as a commoner with a shawl around him. He is wandering in the city. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Akbar to himself, why do I feel that someone is following me? I think that man has been doing so. I have seen him behind me everywhere. Let me confront him. Confront, C-O-N-F-R-O-N-D. Then Akbar, what's your name, stranger? Stranger, wanderlust. Then Akbar, wow, that is a strange name. I have never heard of such a name. What do you do for a living? Stranger, I wander. Akbar, what a strange profession. I have never heard of such a profession. Where do you live? Stranger, everywhere. I live everywhere. Akbar angrily, for now he is irritated. You think you are God? Do you know to whom you are speaking? Stranger, a human being. Akbar, no ordinary human being. I am the emperor. Stranger, emperor, roaming on the street. Akbar, you do not believe me? Look at my royal seal. The emperor takes out the royal seal from his coat and hands it to the stranger. The stranger looks at it with wonder, and before the king can do anything, he quickly slips it in his pocket and runs away. Akbar is stunned. On seeing the stranger is running, what did Akbar do? He stayed there stunned. He did not expect it from the stranger. He realizes what has happened. Late, after a few minutes, he realizes what had happened. He understood that the stranger had ran away from there with his seal. Then Akbar, catch him, thief, thief. He is a thief, he is running from me. Catch him. Who cried out? Akbar cried out, catch him, the thief, thief. Akbar. Crowd gathers on hearing the sound of Akbar, on hearing the noise of Akbar. Who gathered here? Crowd. Crowd means group of people. Lots of people gathered there. They came there. Crowd gathers. Akbar. Don't let him go away. Don't get him. Get away. Catch him. People grab the stranger. People catch. Grab means catch. Grab. G-R-A-B. Grab. G-R-A-B. Grab means catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Grab means catch. He grabbed the stranger. Okay. Akbar learns a lesson. L-E-S-S-O-N. Akbar is making a huge sound. Grab him, catch him. He is a thief. He is running from me. He is a thief. Please catch him. And the stranger shakes them off. The stranger is trying to shook off from there. He wants to release himself from the hands of the crowd. Now he is in the hands of the crowd. The stranger is now in the hands of the crowd. People grab the stranger. Grab means caught the stranger. Then grab means catch. Grabbed means caught. The people grab the stranger. The stranger shakes them off. Stranger with authority. Now the stranger is not like an ordinary man. He is having some authority. Authority means power. A-U-T-H-O-R-I-T-Y. Authority. What is the meaning of authority? Power. P-O-W-E-R. Power. Authority. Authority means he is having authority and he is in a proud manner. Fools, I am the emperor. I am in disguise to see the law and order in the city. What did Akbar is standing there? Who is the real emperor? Akbar is the real emperor. And that was a stranger. And Akbar is standing there. He lost his seal. Akbar lost his seal. He is standing here. And the stranger said that, you fools, get me free. He said, let me free. You set me free. I am the emperor. With authority he is speaking. He is speaking authoritatively. He is speaking with authority that you let me free. You fools, I am the emperor. I am the emperor. You let me free. With authority. Fools, I am the emperor. I am in disguise. Now I dressed up as a common man. You don't assess me with my dress. I am dressed up as a common man and I am in disguise. This word is printed with a mistake. D-I-S-Q-U-I-S is printed, but it is not Q, it is G. You correct this word as disguise. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E. D-I-S-G. It is written as like this Q, but you make it a G. G-U-I-S-E, disguise. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E, disguise. Fools, set me free. I am the emperor. I am in disguise to see the law and order in the country. I want to see the law and order of my country, so I disguised myself as a commoner. I am the real emperor. Who said these words? The stranger said these words. Subject 1. Then one of the people asked him, why should we believe you? Then is there any proof with you to show that you are an emperor? Can you prove you are an emperor? Believe. The word is believe. B-E-L-I-V-E. Believe. B-E-L-I-V-E. Believe. Okay. Why should we believe you? Stranger showing the royal seal. Now where is the seal? The seal is in the hands of the stranger. The stranger took out the seal from on his hand and he showed it to the crowd. Look at the royal seal. You shall be punished. You all shall be punished for catching me. This is my royal seal. You look at it. Suppose this is the seal. This is my royal seal. You look at it. Do you know this is the royal seal? Then all of you will be punished. 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 You look at this seal and do you believe I am the emperor? I will punish all of you. If you don't believe, I will punish all of you. The people step back and let him go. On seeing the royal seal, the people think that he is the real emperor and they stepped back letting him free. They let the stranger free. They allowed the strangers to go free and they stepped back because they now realize that this is the emperor. Why do they realize? They saw the royal seal in the hands of the stranger. They saw the royal seal in the hands of the stranger. So they believed that the stranger is the emperor and they go away from there. Subject 2. Then one of the people came forward and said, "Sorry, Your Majesty, please forgive us. Please excuse us." Forgive. F-O-R-G-I-V-E. Forgive. F-O-R-G-I-V-E. One of the people came in front of the stranger and said, "Sorry, sir. Sorry, Your Majesty. Please forgive us. This is a madman." Who is the madman? Akbar is watching all these things and who is really the emperor? Akbar is really the emperor. He is watching the drama. He is now standing there and watching it. There is nothing to say. He is not going to say nothing because now the royal seal is in the hands of the stranger. Now all the people came in front of the stranger and said sorry to him. "Sorry, sir. Sorry, Majesty. Sorry, Your Majesty. That man is a madman." Who is a madman? The people describe the Emperor Akbar as a madman. Then Akbar dismayed. Dismayed means pariprandana. Dismayed. D-I-S M-A-Y-E-D. That means confused. In a confusion. He is in a confusion. Akbar is now in a confusion. Akbar dismayed. Akbar said to himself, I must return to the palace before they attack me. The people will attack me thinking that I am a madman. Akbar thinking himself, if I stay here for a long time, the people will attack me thinking that I am a madman. The next word is attack. A-T-T-A-C-K. Attack. Which is the next word? Attack. A-T-T-A-C-K. Attack. If I stay here for a long time, the people will come to me and they will attack me. I am sure Birbal will help me. Now also Akbar is thinking that this man is a stranger and only Birbal can help me. Birbal is a clever and cunning man. He can only help me. He had warned me not to go alone. He had already warned me not to go alone. But I did not listen to the words of Birbal. I did not pay much attention to the words of Birbal. Henceforth, that is why. Henceforth. H-E-N-C-E-F-O-R-T-H. Henceforth. Birbal had already warned me not to go alone. Henceforth, I shall listen to him. Henceforth means from today onwards. From today onwards, of now onwards, I shall listen to him. I will listen his words. I will mind his words. I will obey his words. Who said these words? Akbar. Now Akbar is in a confused state of mind. He is dismayed and he thinks that Birbal only can help me. Only Birbal can help me. I am going to Birbal. Birbal will find a solution for my problem. And he had already warned me not to go alone. But henceforth, from today onwards, now itself, I will go listen to his words and I will obey him. Okay. I'll read that part once again. You please listen. Akbar. Don't let him get away. People grab the stranger. The stranger shakes them off. Stranger with authority. Fools. I am the emperor. I am in disguise to see the law and order in the city. Subject 1. Why should we believe you? Why should we believe you? Stranger showing the royal seal. Look at the royal seal. You all shall be punished. The people stepped back and let him go. Subject 2. Sorry, Your Majesty, please forgive us. This is a madman. Akbar dismayed. Akbar to himself. I must return to the palace before they attack me. I am sure Birbal will help me. He had warned me to go. He had warned me not to go alone. Henceforth, I shall listen to him. Okay, this is the end of scene 2. Please listen to the top words from this part. Grab, G-R-A-B, grab. What is the meaning of grab? Catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Then authority, A-U-T-H-O-R-I-T-Y. Authority means power. Authority, A-U-T-H-O-R-I-T-Y. Authority means the person who has power. Authority. Then believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Say the spelling and word, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Next word, punished, P-U-N-I-S-H-E-D, punished, P-U-N-I-S-H-E-D, punished. Next word, forgive, F-O-R-G-I-V-E, forgive, F-O-R-G-I-V-E, forgive. Next word, dismayed, D-I-S-M-A-Y-E-D, dismayed. Next word, attack, A-T-T-A-C-K, attack. Henceforth, H-E-N-C-E-F-O-R-T-H. Once again, grab, catch, authority, power. Next word, believe, punished, forgive, dismayed, attack, henceforth. Okay. Next scene, scene 3, gate of the palace. Now the scene changes to the gate of the palace. Akbar tries to enter. It is the gate of the palace. Akbar returned from the street and now he is in the gate. Guard 1. In the gate there was a guard. Hey you, who are you? No one can enter the palace. Akbar is there, but no one understood that, or no one realizes that is Akbar. The guard stopped him in front of the gate. Akbar was there, Akbar was the emperor, but he is disguising himself as a common man. Now he dressed up himself as a common man and nobody realizes him. Then the guard stopped him at the gate. Hey you, who are you? No one can enter the palace. Enter means go inside. No one can enter the palace. Palace, the kingly mansion, Kottaram. Palace, P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. The next word is enter, E-N-T-E-R, enter, E-N-T-E-R, enter. Okay. Hey, who are you? No one can enter the palace, Akbar. How dare you stop me? How dare you? What is the meaning of how dare you? In English cinemas, we are often seeing that sentence. How dare you to stop me? How dare you? How dare you stop me? Guard 2, laughing and pray. Who are you? Who are you to ask me how dare you? Akbar takes off his moustache and turban. Moustache means Misha, male Misha, moustache. He dressed up himself as a commoner by pasting a moustache and then rounded a shawl over his head and dressed up as a commoner, and he then removes his moustache, spelling M-O-U-S-T-A-C-H-E, moustache. M-O-U-S-T-A-C-H-E, moustache, and turban, T-U-R-B-A-N. The shawl tied at the head, turban. The Muslim, some Sikhs are wearing the turban and the Punjabis are wearing the turban, T-U-R-B-A-N, turban. Kalapad, turban. Okay, then Akbar, without any means, he knew into the palace. He should make them believe that he is the real emperor. Otherwise, he couldn't enter the palace. So he takes off means remove. Takes off, remove his mustache and turban. Then guard 1 and 2 bowing before him. Then they understood that he is Emperor Akbar. Then they bowed before him. Bowed means vananga. They greeted by bowing their head. They bowed before him. Forgive us, Your Majesty. We couldn't understand you. Forgive us, Your Majesty. We couldn't understand you. Okay, this is scene 3. What is scene 3? I will read it once again. You please listen. Akbar tries to enter the palace. Guard 1. Hey, you, who are you? No one can enter the palace. Akbar, how dare you stop me? Guard 2 laughing. And pray, who are you? Then Akbar takes off his mustache and turban. Then guard 1 and 2 bowing. Forgive us, Your Majesty. Then they understood that they let Akbar go in. Okay, the guard 1 and 2 let Akbar go in. Allowed Akbar to go into the palace. Then scene 4. Akbar's chambers. Akbar's chambers. Akbar's court. Akbar's chambers. 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 Akbar's chambers. Then Akbar, thank God today I was saved. Now he is sitting in the royal throne. Now he is sitting in the royal chair is called a THRONE throne. He is now in his chair. And thank God I was saved. I wonder who the stranger was. I am wondering now also I am wondering who the stranger was. Now also I am wondering. Wondering means surprising. Now I wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. Now also I am wondering who was the stranger. I wonder who the stranger was. I shall have to order for another royal seal. Now I lost my royal seal. Where is the seal? The seal is with the stranger. Now I am going to order for a new seal. Otherwise I couldn't go outside my palace. I couldn't do any official matters without the seal. So I am going to order for a new seal. Let me call Birbal. Before that I will call Birbal and ask his opinion. How will I face him? He had just warned me against going alone. He had already yesterday warned me, or today morning before leaving me, he warned me not to go alone. You are an emperor, your life is very precious. It is to be well protected. It must be well protected. I did not listen to the words of Birbal. Then how should I face him? How can I face Birbal? But Birbal can find a solution for that. I should meet Birbal. Then the king, Emperor Akbar, sees a parcel on the table. Parcel means a sealed cover. Parcel. P-A-R-C-E-L. Parcel. Then at that time, Akbar see a parcel on the table. Then he saw a parcel on the table. He opens it. Akbar, then he saw a parcel on the table. Then he removed the cover. Then opened it. Then he opens it. He is surprised to see the royal seal and a note in it. Then what was inside it? He was surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Akbar, after opening the parcel, he is in surprise. After opening the parcel, he was surprised. Who was surprised? Akbar was surprised to see the royal seal and a note in it and a letter with it. What was inside the parcel? The royal seal and a letter. And a letter was inside the parcel. The royal seal and a letter was inside the parcel. The royal seal and a letter was there inside the parcel. Akbar reads the note. Then after opening the parcel, there was the royal seal and a letter. Then he took out the letter and he reads it. See what happens when the king wanders alone. Your Majesty, now you understood what will happen when an emperor travels alone. What happens when the king wanders alone? This time, it it was only the seal. This time you lost your seal. Next time it can be worse. It is a warning. It is a warning letter. This time you lost your seal. Next time it will be worse. That means you will lose. There is a chance you may lose your life. It will be worse. W-O-R-S-E. What is the meaning of worse? Bad means not good. Bad, when its comparative degree is worse, then its superlative is worst. Okay. Bad, worse, worst. Then opposite is good. G-O-O-D, good. Then better, B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Then best. Okay. What is worse? More bad than bad. That is what second degree, degrees of comparison. Now it is first time you are going alone, and now you lost your royal seal only. Next time it will not be like this. Next time the things will be more serious. The things will be worse. Next time the things will be more dangerous. Worse means more dangerous. It can be worse. Birbal the stranger. Now only Akbar understood that the stranger was Birbal. Who was the stranger? Birbal. Birbal did not allow Akbar go alone at night or day in the street. He was following the Emperor Akbar in disguise. He is also disguised himself as a stranger. He disguised himself as a stranger and he followed Akbar everywhere he goes. He followed Akbar everywhere he goes. And who teaches Akbar a lesson? Birbal teaches Akbar a lesson. Birbal teaches Akbar a lesson. Akbar reads the note. See what happens when the king wanders alone. This time it was only the seal. Next time it can be worse. It is a warning. Next time it will be dangerous. It will be more dangerous. Birbal the stranger. Who wrote the letter? Birbal wrote the letter. Who teaches Akbar the lesson? Birbal the wise person teaches Emperor Akbar a lesson. Akbar, on seeing the letter and the seal, after reading the letter, he laughs. So it was my dear Birbal. I feared a lot. I was frightened, but it was my friend Birbal out to teach me a practical lesson. He taught me, the past tense of teach is taught. He taught me a practical lesson. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-A-L, practical. He taught me a practical lesson. He had already warned me not to go alone. Not to go alone. I am an emperor, so he warned me not to go alone. But I did not pay much attention to the words of Birbal. I did not listen to the words of, or I did not obey the words of Birbal. That is why these things happened to me. That is why these things happened to me. I did not disobey him anymore. I did not neglect his words anymore. Ha ha ha. So it was my dear Birbal out to teach me a practical lesson. Serves me right. He serves me right. He is a good servant. He serves me right. S-C-R-V-E-S. Serves. Which is the word? Serves. S-C-R-V-E-S. He served me in a right way. I have another reason to be grateful him. I am grateful him for many reasons. On every situation, he is saving my life. He is saving me from everywhere, and this day also he saved my life and he taught me a practical lesson. He saved my life and he taught me a practical lesson. So there is another, I have one more reason to be grateful to him. I have one more reason to be grateful. G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L. What is the meaning of grateful? Thankful. Grateful means thankful. I have one more reason to be thankful to Birbal. Okay, this is the end of the story, the end of the play. So it was a play. and so many characters were in it. And this play is taken from the tales of Akbar and Birbal. This play is taken from the tales of Akbar and Birbal. I will read from the very beginning. You please listen to your text. Scene 1. Court of Akbar. Akbar is talking to Birbal. Akbar. Birbal, what do the spies say about the law and order of our country? Birbal. Jahambana, all is well. Peace prevails. The subjects praise you. Akbar, I am happy, but I still think that I should personally see the situation. Maybe the spies say so because they are afraid to tell the truth. Birbal, this is not right, Your Majesty. An emperor's life is precious and must be well protected. Akbar, Birbal, you think I am a fool. I will take all precautions. I will go in disguise today. Birbal, I request you not to go, Your Majesty. Akbar, I have said I will go, so I will go. Then scene 2. Akbar disguises himself as a commoner with a shawl around him. He is wandering in the city. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. Akbar to himself, why do I feel that someone is following me? I think that man has been doing so. I have seen him behind me everywhere. Let me confront him. Akbar, what's your name, stranger? Stranger, Wanderlust. Akbar, that is a strange name. I have never heard of such a name. What do you do for a living? Stranger, I wander. Akbar, what a strange profession. I have never heard of such a profession. But where do you live? Stranger, everywhere. Akbar angrily, for now he is irritated. You think you are speaking? You think you are God? Do you know to whom you are speaking? Stranger, to a human being. Akbar, no ordinary human being. I am the emperor. Stranger, emperor, roaming on the streets. Akbar, you do not believe me? Look at my royal seal. The emperor takes out the royal seal from his pocket and hands it to the stranger. The stranger looks at it with wonder, and before the king can do anything, he quickly slips it in his pocket and runs away. Akbar is stunned. He realizes what has happened. Akbar, catch him, thief, thief. Crowd gathers. Akbar, don't let him get away. People grab the stranger. The stranger shakes them off. Stranger with authority. Fools, I am the emperor. I am in disguise to see the law and order in the country, in the city. Subject 1. Why should we believe you? Stranger, showing the royal seal. Look at the royal seal. You all shall be punished. The people step back and let him go. Subject 2. Sorry, Your Majesty. Please forgive us. This is a madman. Akbar dismayed. Akbar to himself, I must return to the palace before they attack me. I am sure Birbal will help me. He had warned me not to go alone. Henceforth, I shall listen to him. Then scene 3. Gate of the palace. Akbar tries to enter. Guard 1. Hey you! Who are you? No one can enter the palace. Akbar, how dare you stop me? Guard 2 laughing. And pray, who are you, sir? Then Akbar takes off his moustache and turban. Guard 1 and 2 bowing. Forgive us, Your Majesty. Scene 4. Akbar's chambers. Akbar, thank God today I was saved. I wonder who the stranger was. I shall have to order for another royal seal. Let me call Birbal. How will I face him? He had warned me against going alone. Sees a parcel on the table. Opens it. He is surprised to see the royal seal and a note in it. Akbar reads the note. See what happens when the king wanders alone? This time it was only the seal. Next time it can be worse. Birbal, the stranger. Akbar laughing. So it was my dear Birbal out to teach me a practical lesson. Serves me right. I have another reason to be grateful to him. This is a play from the tales of Akbar and Birbal. I hope all of you enjoyed this play. If you are in the class, we can enact it in the classroom. And I hope all of you enjoyed it. You read your text very well and be familiar with the new words and its meanings. The new words will come to you. Okay, the notes will come to you. Wish you all the best and see you in the next class. Thank you.